Hey everybody, YouTube, this is Curry Mac, and today I'm going to show you how to make homemade keto shrimp scampi. We're going to start by using zucchinis instead of pasta. And I'm using 2 zucchinis, and I've shaved the skin off. You don't have to do it this way, but I choose to. And I'm using a potato peel to skin it off. And next we're going to take the zucchinis and cut the edges off. And you'll see why in a second. And next we're going to use a spiralizer and spiral these using the spaghetti setting. We're going to spiralize it until it resembles spaghetti. Now we're going to put this in a Ziploc bag and save it for later. And next we're going to work on the seasonings, which is 3/4 teaspoons of sea salt, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 3/4 teaspoons of black ground pepper, this is optional, 1 tablespoon of Old Bay seasoning, and 1 tablespoon of chicken seasoning. And we'll mix it up until it's well blended. And in a separate bowl, we're going to put 1 pound of raw, deveined, detailed shrimp, and then we're going to pour the seasoning on top of it. And then we'll close it up and shake it until it's well coated. And this is how you like after you finish with it. Now, using a saucepan, we're going to melt the 2 tablespoons of butter with 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. And then we'll add about 3 to 4 cloves of minced garlic. Right now, spreading it out pretty evenly. Once that's warm enough, then we're going to add the shrimp. And right now, separating it to where it will cook evenly. And next, we're going to cover it up on very low heat for about 1 hour. After that, it should look like this. It should be nice and cooked. And now we're going to add the 1 cup of fresh parsley, 4 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 cup of chicken broth, they will cook it on medium-high heat until it reduces down to it's like a sauce. And next we're going to steam the zucchini. I used about 1 cup of filtered water, and we'll steam it for about 5 minutes. It don't take long. And after it's done, it should be nice and soft. As you can see, it looks like spaghetti. And next we're going to put the shrimp on top of the zucchini pasta. And this is how it should look like after you finish plating it. This is very delicious. So if you're on a ketogenic diet, this is for you. The recipe will be in the bottom of the description, so give it a try.